Hello friends, today we learn about the matrix. What is definition and expression of the matrix? First point, second point, order of the matrix, and third point, type of matrix. In this class, 3 points we will learn. We will learn first definition and expression. Expression, suppose the anyone Rakesh have two pen and Rohit have three books. Okay, then Rakesh and Rohit. We can express it here 2 and 3. Rakesh have here 3 pen also. 3 pens. Here 3 pen, here 3 pens. Rakesh and Rohit here. The Rakesh have how much? 2. Rohit have how much? 3. This is the expression. Okay. Now, sometimes you have given Rakesh have 3 pens and 2 notebook. 2 notebooks. Here pen, here notebook. We can express 2 and 3. This is in the form of matrix. 2 is what? Pens. This is notebooks. This is pens. And next one, Rohit have, this is the Rakesh have. Rohit have or Poonam have. Poonam have 5 pens. This is the column of pens, and notebook, 2 notebooks. So we can explain it in this form directly. Both of them in this. Okay. So next point, this is the expression, and next we learn about the definition. Definition of the matrix. A matrix is an order of rectangular form. A matrix is an order of rectangular array. A matrix is an order of ordered rectangular array of numbers. Rectangular arrays of numbers or function, maybe function. Okay, its element, the number and function is called its element. The element, what is the element? The number which are formed the array. The number is called the element of the matrix. Suppose here 1 minus 3 2 5 7 3. This is in the form of this. This is the array. Okay, so this one is known as A equal to A is a matrix. This one is known as the row. This is the R1. Okay, this is the R1. Another matrix we have taken. This is the R2. This is the R3. The horizontal arrangement of the number. Horizontal line. Arrangement of the number along the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. Along this line, this is the row. Along the vertical line, arrangement of the number is known as the column. Okay. So another one we are taking here 5 3 2 1 3 2 1 4 2 1 4 5 1 4 5. Suppose this one. So this one is what? This one R1, this one R2, this one R3. Row first, second, third. R1, R2, R3. This is the column C1. This is column C2. This one column C3. These are columns up top to bottom, and this one horizontal line is known as the row of the matrix. Okay, this is the definition. Which one is the row, which one is the column. Okay, now we go to the next point, order of the matrix. Next point is order of the matrix, of a matrix. Next point, order of the matrix. Suppose, how to find the order? Suppose any matrix given here, A11, A12, A21, A22. What is the order? Okay, the number of elements. This is the row R1, this is the row R2. This is the row R1, R2. How many rows? 2 rows. So here write 2. First write 2. Then number of column here. C1, here C2. There are 2 columns. So here 2. Okay. This is the 2 cross 2. The order is what? Order is 2. ORD here. Order is 2 of the matrix. Order is what? 2. So suppose and number of element. What is the number of element? We multiply the number of row and column. That is known as the number of element. Here 4 element. A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the number of elements, 4. And number of order of this matrix is 2. Order of the matrix is 2. 2 cross 2. Okay. This is known as the second order. Simply known as this one, M cross A. Simply it is known as I indicates the row. I indicates for the rows, and J indicates the columns. Okay, I indicates the row and J indicates the column. Okay. If A is the square matrix, A, I, J of order M cross N, or Ij is what? I is the number of rows. This is the number of rows. Which number? Number of rows. And J is the number of column. This is the number of column. So which column, which row? This is total, it is the order Aij. Okay. So this is the how to find the order of the matrix. Any matrix given here. Suppose from the example, here 1, here 2, here 3. Suppose that simply here this one. What is the order? Number of row. How much? 2. Cross number of column 1. 2 cross 1. Order is 2 cross 1. Okay. 2 cross 1. Sometimes you have given the order. Number of element. Suppose the any matrix having the order given 12. Number of element 12. Then what is the possibility of order? What is the possibility of order? Or here given anything given. Here number of element. It is the number of element 12. Find the order. How to find the order? We cross check 3 into 4. It may be 4 into 3. It may be 2 into 6. 6 into 2. 1 into 12. 12 into 1. What is next? Nothing. This one. the number possible order 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. It may be the form the 6 order matrix, 6 order up to 6 order. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one possibility to form the order of the matrix. So this one is the order of the matrix. We learn about the what type of matrix. What is the matrix? Column matrix. First one is known as the column matrix. What is the column matrix? Now we learn about the column matrix. First one is the type of matrix. This is not order. Type of matrix. Type of matrix. Column matrix. Which one is the column matrix? First one. A matrix said to be column matrix. A matrix said to be the column matrix if it has only one column. If it has only one column. No restriction of row, but column restriction. 1, 2, 3. This is the column 1, C1. Suppose second 1, 2, 3, 1. This is the column matrix. No restriction of row, but column is always 1. If and only if column only 1. Second one is the row matrix. A row matrix. A row matrix. A matrix is said to be the row matrix if it has only one rows. Only one row. Sorry. It has only if it has only one row. One row. Only one row. It has only one row. Suppose here given this one, just like this 1, 2, 3. And this one given, this is the matrix A, matrix B given just like this 3, 1. This is the row matrix. Here row is 1, horizontal line is row, the row is 1, R1, only 1. Here row is 1, here column is 1 and row is 3. Here row is 1 and column is 3. Here row is 3. R1, R2, R3. Here row is only 1. So it is row matrix and this one is the column matrix. Next is what? Next is the square matrix. Next is what? A square matrix. Third number. Third number is the square matrix. A square matrix. A square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of columns. I equal to Z. Or M equal to N. Number of rows M equal to N. Number of rows, total number of rows, total number of column. M indicates the rows and N indicates the column. The row, if row equal to column, then we said to be the square matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here M cross N लिखते हैं. Here M cross N is the order, but here order M value given. Number of rows 3 or column 3. Both are 3. M and N both are 3. So it is the square matrix. A square matrix. Number of row and column different, then it is not a square matrix. If number of row equal to number of column, okay, of order, this is the square matrix of order 3. Okay. Next one is the 4. 4 is what? It is this one is the next one is the identity matrix. Number 4, identity matrix, and after that a scalar matrix. Identity matrix, scalar matrix, and next one null matrix. फर्स्ट वन देखेंगे, नो a scalar diagonal matrix देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज द diagonal matrix, fourth one diagonal matrix. Fourth one is the diagonal. What is the diagonal matrix? What is the diagonal matrix? The element along the diagonal, along its diagonal, primary diagonal, is known as the non-zero. Along the its diagonal is non-zero. The -1 0 0 2 2 no 0 1 3 2 3 0 3 0 0 4. This one is what? This is the diagonal matrix. This is the square matrix. A square matrix B or a square matrix A is said to be the diagonal matrix if and only if its all elements 0 except its diagonal. All elements are 0 except its diagonal. Okay, if all element along its diagonal is non-zero. Okay, it is the diagonal matrix. A scalar matrix is what? Along its diagonal, so all elements are same. Along its element, a scalar matrix, same like this. Here 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. This is what? This is the scalar matrix. This is what? This is the scalar matrix. Along its diagonal, all elements same. 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3. Along its diagonal same. This is known as the scalar matrix. Okay, next one is what? Next one, 6 1, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix also known as the unit matrix. It's also known as the unit matrix. Nothing. It is a square matrix which have along the diagonal all elements 1. All elements along its diagonal, all elements 1. This one is the identity matrix. Okay. Next one, this one is the identity matrix. Along its diagonal, all elements are same. Okay. It may be the second order. It may be second order 1 0 0 1. It may be the unit matrix, identity matrix. Next one, 0 और null matrix. 0 matrix और null matrix क्या बोलते हैं? null matrix, null matrix और 0 matrix. A square matrix which all elements are 0. Which all elements are 0. Which all elements are 0. A is the square matrix which all elements 0. Which all elements 0. It is the null matrix. Okay. Today is this one only. In the next video, we'll learn about the equality of the matrix. Today, no, next video. Next video, we'll learn about the equality of the matrix. In this video also we explain equality.